but it is okay. But
Okay. Then we can start now, right?
yes, you can start. Yeah.
Okay, so ma'am, first of all, I would like to say you that as we are meeting for the very first time, so I would like to know about you. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, Piali, why not? So it's my pleasure you gave me the opportunity. Yeah. My name is Alka and I come from Lucknow, city from Uttar Pradesh. Of course, I'm a senior citizen and I'm postgraduate in English. I have two sons, they both are married. Yeah, my husband is a retired banker.
Uh,
Always, if you talk about my hobbies, then I love reading and listening to music as well as playing chess. Yeah, that's about me.
that's very nice introduction. Okay, so now it's my turn.
Yes.
Okay, as you can see that my name is Piyali De, but people know me as Priya because I use Priya name when I talk to other people in the applications.
Okay.
And I have completed my post graduation in English, and currently I am pursuing my BEd, that is Bachelor in Education. And apart from that, recently I have created YouTube channel, and I am teaching to kids. They are little children. They are taking lessons from me. I teach them English, and one kid is there. I teach her every subject like math, Bengali, and uh, uh, what else? Math, Bengali, and English. Yeah. So yeah, I forgot to tell you that I am from West Bengal.
Okay, that's good. And it's good to hear about you. Yeah, and in your profile picture, is it of yours?
Yeah,
Is
it's
it
my profile.
in blue sari?
It's my profile picture, and like that picture, I clicked during holiday, like it was like the Holi, Holi festival, Vasant festival, right? So on that day, I clicked that picture. So I was looking different in this picture.
Yeah, you are looking different. And of course, you're looking so pretty in sari. Of course, you are beautiful. But in a sari, you look more special. Yeah, I think every lady, whenever we wear sari, we look a different kind and we look gorgeous, I mean to say. And your profile picture is very nice. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thanks for appreciating.
Okay.
But everybody looks good, looks nice in pictures because
Yeah.
well, like camera quality, because of camera quality and makeup and all. So
And so
people
that.
look
Yeah. So you are connecting me from West Bengal, you told me, no, right?
West Bengal. Yeah, West Bengal.
Which place from Bengal?
Sorry, ma'am. What did you say? I was not able to hear your voice.
Oh, I'm telling you from which place you are connecting me.
Which place? Okay, actually, my district name is Bakura.
Oh, Bakura, okay. Oh, I got to know. I think previously, some days back, I had audio call with you. I
No, no, no,
think.
no, no,
Yeah.
no, no. There was another girl is there, so she is also from my district. Maybe that's why.
Okay, I had told her that there was a friend of mine in Bakura. Yeah, but he expired on the last 2 years back. And I'm very sad about it. I will mention you what happened. As his birthday was, he was my class fellow since the class ninth. I was studying with him. So his
Mm-hmm.
birthday, it was on the 24th April. Before 2 years. Before 2 years. That my friend's birthday was on 24th April. Before 2 years back. So, there was many relatives of mine in my house, as my daughter-in-law, my son, and my sister-in-law, all were there in the house. So I just thought, I will call him. I will wish him birthday in the evening. Anyhow, I missed wishing him the birthday. On the after the third day, yani ki, not alternate, on the third day expired. And I felt so bad, I wept a lot. Why did I not wish him? So
Yeah.
that, yeah. So whatever comes in my mind, sometimes we wish to talk to somebody. So, at the very time we should talk and we should wish, these are the small
Yeah.
things here. Yeah. So,
Otherwise, we miss these small things because we don't know what is going to happen
yeah.
after some time.
And the
Because life,
Bakura, yeah, he belonged to Bakura, that's why I just recall that incident. Yeah. So,
actually, life is very unpredictable. Very
yeah,
unpredictable.
right.
Even like like life is how much unpredictable we got to know during Corona situation because we did not expect that this kind of situation can come in our country. But
right,
that's
right.
so we got to know that really life is very unpredictable and we are going to know what is going to happen tomorrow. Today we are going to sleep, but we don't know we are going to wake up or not.
Yeah, my husband, he had his friend. So he thought of calling him after just 4 or 5 days. He gave a call. He gave a call. His daughter picked the call. So my husband told his daughter, "Where is your father? I wanted to talk to him." So then she told him, "My father had just died the day back." So he was so, what to say, just he broke down, he thought, what, yeah, so that is unpredictable, what I'm saying. So
Yeah,
whenever,
really.
but since then, I made it sure, to call anybody. If I know to call that particular person on the birthday and wish him on the anniversary, because we never know. If it comes in our mind, definitely we should wish. Okay. And if we forget, that is something else. But if we remember, then we should.
Yeah, definitely. That was really very bad incident.
Piali, your video, why it pauses sometimes?
Network issue because of the weather is cloudy, not clear. So that's why maybe.
Okay, you're having a cloudy weather there.
Today, but yesterday it was very hot, scorching hot. Today it's
Yeah,
sometimes cloudy, sometimes it's sunny.
yeah. Actually, everywhere it's scorching hot, every.
Uh,
And even in Shimla too, one of my relatives is in Shimla. So that fellow told, no, yeah, in the afternoons it's pretty hot. We can't move outside. So in
yeah,
Shimla too, having, warm days. So yeah.
yeah. Simla is such a place where snowfall happens, and there also it's scorching hot.
Yeah, right. All due to globalization, so what to say?
Okay, so ma'am, do you have YouTube channel?
No, Piali, right now I don't have, yeah, but I'm planning to have very soon.
Okay,
First,
so